Good morning, everyone. I'm Aradhya from grade 11, reporting from Delhi Public School, Bijnor. I welcome you to our most awaited event, Ignite Fest 2025-26, where students of grade 1 to 12 come together to showcase their talent, creativity, and passion. Now, let's dive into the excitement of our students. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, how do you think this fest helps our students to develop their creativity and leadership skills?
As you know, we are having 2 days of fest in our school, that is today and tomorrow. And what we are doing in this, I'll just give you a brief about it. As you know, the students here not only just learn, study. Apart from academics, we are having all-round development. When we talk about holistic development, it means we are fostering creativity, we are fostering emotional intelligence and lot of things. So in today's fest and tomorrow, we are conducting many competitions throughout the day for all the classes from grades 1 to 12. And we are having many competitions are there to just know the insights of the students, and students have chosen their particular competition and they are going to participate. So we have victory to great guru. Along with that, we have debate dexterity from facts and fictions. We are having dance, we are having music, we are having Sudoku, Master Chef, what not. And you must be seeing in the school that how the students are participating. They are very enthusiastic, teachers are very enthusiastic, and each and every students are doing and putting their best to make this event successful. And I wish and I congratulate all the students, those who have participated, and I wish the students whosoever is winning. It's more about, it's more about participation. So here we have focused on 100% participation, and we want each and every student. At times the students don't get a chance to participate in every event. So this is a platform wherein the students are getting a chance to choose their particular, to select their particular competition and do best. And you must have gone through how the students are participating. So I wish all the students all the best, and that's it.
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you.
Hello Gungun.
Hello Didi.
So as the event got postponed earlier, so how did you utilize the time?
I find more new ideas and I utilize my time, and it increase the chances of winning, and I hope that I will be winner. Thank you.
Truly, thank you so much.
Are you enjoying dance? Yeah!
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aradhya.
Ma'am, what is your event?
Our event is sketch and guess. So, student will draw the figures on the board, and the rest of the student will guess them, and they will enjoy it. Whosoever will guess first, that will win the game.
Ma'am, are you enjoying this event?
Yes, we are enjoying the game, and even the students are also enjoying the game. They are guessing many things at a time, so they are also enjoying the game.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello Kshitij.
Hello,
So what is your event?
the event is Unplugged Melody.
So what do you think? Have you performed well in your event according?
Yeah, I have performed very well in my event. I have practiced very much, and I have put a lot of dedication in this event. And yeah, sure, I have performed very well.
I hope you win. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hello.
So what is your name?
My name is Mansharya.
So what is the event?
The name of the event is Fastest Finger.
So are you enjoying the event, and how is it helping you?
I am enjoying this event very much, and this helps in the accuracy and the speed of the typing that we type on the computer.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello ma'am.
Hello Ananya.
So ma'am, what is your event today, and how is it helping the students in your view?
Okay, so for today our event is cursive craft handwriting. This event is encouraging students to write beautifully, as well as it also improving the academic skills, presentation. It is also helping students develop concentration, creativity, and a love for good handwriting. Such events motivate students to take pride in their writing and express themselves better. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
Anaya Agarwal.
What have you made right now?
flower pot.
Thank you. Hello Parth.
Hello, Didi.
What have you made?
Didi, I have made chickpeas chaat and sandwich.
Are you enjoying the event?
Yes, Didi. I'm enjoyed this event.
Thank you, Parth.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
So, ma'am, what was your role this year in Fest?
Actually, I was preparing result, and though it was very hectic, everybody did very well. It was just like we were getting a tough time in preparing the result. Each one did a very good job. All the best for them, and may the best team wins.
Thank you so much. Hello Aisha, you have done such amazing work. How did you get the idea and how did you prepare for all this?
First of all, thank you. And my mother helped in this so much. That's why I'm making this beautiful dishes.
You have done so good. Thank you so much. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So are you excited for the fest?
Je suis très excité. Je suis aussi.
What does that mean in English?
Well, I said that I'm really excited. Well, I said I am also very excited.
Thank you so much. Hello Anya.
Hi Ananya.
So Anya, how did you feel when the event was postponed earlier?
When I got the message that the event has been postponed, I felt two things. First being I was a little sad because I was eagerly waiting for this fest from a long time. And secondly, I felt a bit grateful also as I felt that I have a lot of time again to prepare for my activities I have chosen.
Thank you so much. Hello Alice.
Hello, Didi.
Hello Ishika.
Hello, Didi.
So what are you making?
I'm making wall hanging. I'm also making wall hanging.
Great. So do you think you'll win?
Yes, I think I will. Yes, I also think I will also.
Great. Hope for the best. Thank you. So we have our overall fest champion Kriti Bhardwaj with us. Let us ask her that how is she feeling after doing such a big achievement.
I'm feeling super excited as this is the second time I'm winning the overall Fest Champ trophy and I have enjoyed the fest a lot. The main thing to get this trophy is your efforts. Your efforts matter a lot whether in your studies or in these activities. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you. So Arnav, how did you manage to win in so many events?
I have practiced a lot and I have not taken all these competitions so lightly and I'm very happy I won the first position in class 9th and 10th.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. So we have our fest champions here. So let's ask them that in which all events did you win?
In Wordsmith Wonderland, Masterpiece Marvel and Book Scavenger.
Fact and Fiction, Mindful Dilemma and for Graphics.
Many congratulations. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, I am Ananya Tyagi reporting from Delhi Public School, Bijnor. So this was our day 2 from Ignite Fest. So with this, I would like to take a leave with a heart full of joy and a mind full with memories looking forward for the next fest. Thank you so much.